Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install dual messenger in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After open the settings app, just scroll down, then go to advanced features. Now from here scroll down a bit, and here you can see dual messenger option, then just tap here and that's it. Now from here you can install second copy of Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram and Messenger. If you want to install dual messenger in your phone, just enable this option and then tap on install and it's done. Now if I go to app screen, and that's it, you can see dual messenger has been installed successfully. And now from here you can log in or sign up your Facebook account. You can also use separate contact list for dual messenger from here. You have to just enable this option and it's done. And that is how you can install dual messenger in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.